Hello everyone, I'm Anthony, the Eclectic Chef. Welcome back to my kitchen. And today we're going to make some inexpensive. The tin of tomatoes you see here was less than $1 at Walmart. No salt added. Tomato sauce that you could put over pasta. I make it for use in my 4-3 diet plan recipes. Typically I've been using Muir Glen tomatoes and all fresh herbs from my garden, but those Muir Glen running at well over $3 a can. So we're going to try and keep the cost down today, and we're going to try and make this with things you'll have in your pantry. So to the right of the tin of tomatoes you'll see here's just some commercial Italian seasoning. Italian herbs, nice flavorful mix. I'm going to use fresh garlic because I really do like the taste it gives this sauce. But if you wanted to use powder or paste, it will work out just fine. I'm going to crush these cloves and chop them up. The blender will do the rest. And in this little bowl we've got a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. We'll just get the garlic chopped. 2 teaspoons of the Italian seasoning. Get them all in a little blender, and then we'll put them on the stove to reduce. And we're going to use our trusty magic bullet blender to do this today. Why? Well, it's quite big enough, and I find it really easy to clean up. The magic bullet makes a fearsome racket, but here we go, we're about done. So here we are, stove top. We'll just heat this on medium-high till it's bubbling, then turn it down to low, and it will take about 20 minutes to reduce down a little bit. This sauce is probably thick enough to use if you're not fussy, but I like to concentrate the flavour a little bit. Okay, I think we're about done here. About 20 minutes. Simmering, it's reduced. I should have weighed it to tell you exactly how much it's reduced, but I didn't. All the herbs and the garlic have nicely cooked in, and I'll be having this on top of some spaghetti squash tonight for my dinner. It goes without saying, by the way, that we're doing this for a diet meal plan, right, for 3 meals. So it has probably 50 calories in the whole sauce. Were we just making this for regular meal night, a splash of vodka and some cream in this, and you've got a delightful sauce for pasta that you'd probably have spent $1.50 on, total of all the ingredients. You can't complain at that, folks. You really can't. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, found it interesting, and I hope you all have a great day in your kitchens.